guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I am finally back, and I'm going to try to be more consistent. I am starting off in my deep freezer. I told you guys a couple videos back that I was going to show you guys my milk supply storage from when I'm pumping. And I needed to organize this thing anyway, so I thought I'd organize with you guys. And this video is going to be pretty short because my camera died in the middle of me recording this, so you guys didn't get to see me finish everything. And I'm pulling milk out and sorting it by the correct date. So that's what I'm doing here, and then it'll shoot to a couple weeks later, which is, for me, it was only like 2 days ago that I recorded the rest of this video, but originally this video was like maybe a month ago. So you'll see how much this freezer has changed in like a month. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. After I get done with the freezer, I will move on to cleaning my oven. So I hope you guys are ready for this cleaning motivation, even though this video is a little bit short. And the reason that I haven't been consistent with these videos is because I'm exhausted. This mama is exhausted. Before I had my son, I had my daughter, who was like 6 years old now, so I'm rusty in the whole mommy department at the moment. So I'm just tired. And right now my son is 7 months old, and he has 3 teeth already and like 4 more coming in all at the same time. So we're not really getting much sleep because we're trying to get him all the way together. And it's summertime, so we're playing with the kids and different stuff like that. Look at all this milk, guys. Yeah, I'm on a whole 3rd shelf already, and I filled up the other shelf. But yeah, I'm just exhausted a little bit. So I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent. These videos that I have coming for you guys in the next couple weeks were recorded about a month ago. So, and I'm just now getting them out to you guys. And then I think it's like 4 videos that I have that I recorded about a month ago. And then I will get right back into recording, and I will have a whole bunch of new motivation for you guys, and maybe some summer videos of us playing and going swimming and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready for that. I know I'm talking a lot, but I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I might do a little bit of vlogs, something new. I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. I'm gonna let the video finish, and I'm gonna stop talking. 'Cause I'm right under the stars. What you wouldn't only leaving this mark. But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning guys, so we are coming to the end of this video. I am just going to take a Clorox wipe and wipe out the exterior. I'm gonna wipe out the oven. And I'm so glad that I did, because you'll see in a minute that thing was gross. Yeah. But I hope you guys got a little bit of cleaning motivation out of this video. I know it was small, it was short, but I hope you guys got all of the motivation. I will see you guys next Wednesday, I promise. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.